Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Code with Logic. In this series Python from zero to pro, we will learn Python step by step from the very basic to advanced concept with clear logic, dry run explanation and real project practice. Whether you are a beginner or preparing for coding interview, this course is best for you. First, let us know why Python is important. Python is a high-level interpreted and general-purpose programming language. Now, let us understand what is programming language. Programming language is a formal language that allows humans to communicate instructions to a computer. Instruction means statement that tells computer to perform a specific action. In simple terms, programming language is a set of rules and syntax used to write program that tells a computer what to do. Computer can only understand machine language 0 and 1, which is in binary format. So programming language act as the bridge between computer and humans. So moving ahead with high level. High level means it is a design to be closer to human language and farther from machine language. Means it is easier for humans to read and understand the code. Interpreted means Python does not need to be compiled into machine code all at once. Instead, it reads your code one by one and at a time, interprets it and runs immediately. Again, continue with line at a time, one line at a time, interprets it and runs it immediately, and so on. Now, general purpose. General purpose means Python can be used to write programs for a wide variety of tasks, not limited to a specific domain. You can use Python for web development, data analysis, machine learning, automation, game development, and much more. Python is called general purpose because it can be used for many different types of application. Now, Python is easy to read and write, which makes it perfect for beginner. Python is widely used in web development, data science, AI, machine learning, automation, and more. Basically, with Python, you can do almost anything in programming, from building small script to creating large application. Why learn Python? Python is simple, beginner friendly, and very powerful language. It is widely used in artificial intelligence, data science, machine learning, web development, automation, and many other fields. Also, Python is highly recommended for coding interviews and building real world projects. By learning Python properly, you can open the door to countless opportunity. Now I will explain the Python code structure overview. Here I will explain you 16 chapter in details. First, let's go to overview. First, Python basic, where we will learn Python syntax, data types, operators, Python introduction, Python interpreter, and many more in details. Now the second chapter will cover conditional statements, which is if and else, nested if and else, and much more. Loop. Third chapter is loops, which means repeated. How many times the code can be repeated, like for loop, while loop. Next, fourth is pattern printing. This is used to test our loop and conditional statement by printing patterns of numbers, stars, and alphabet. Now fifth chapter is function and recursion. Function means the code which is reusable many more times, and recursion is alternative of loop. Now sixth chapter will cover data structure, Python specific, which means this data structure is used in Python only. No other language will use this, like list, tuple, set, and dictionary are specific for data, Python data structure. Seventh chapter is string manipulation, where we will perform operation on strings and its built-in methods. Now eighth chapter is file handling, where we will write, read, manage files. Ninth chapter is exception handling, where we will handle runtime's errors smoothly. Now 10th chapter is object-oriented programming, OOPS, which is based on real-world entity, class, and object. 11th chapter is module and packages, organize and reuse code. Now 12th chapter is data structure and algorithm, where we will practice searching, sorting, stack, queue, linked list, trees, graph, and much more. 14th chapter 13th chapter is interview and logic building question. Here we will practice list of questions of interview where the interview will ask, and the logic build question also, which will help us to trace our learning. 14th chapter is advanced Python topic, where we will learn lambda function, map, filters, decorators, iterators, and much more. Now 15th chapter will be based on our project, where we'll create multiple mini projects which you can add in your resume also, which will help you in job. 16th chapter is Python libraries, where we will learn NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and Django Flask library. Now, I have explained you the overview of a chapter. Now, what makes this series special? What makes this course different is that we do not just write code, we understand it. Every topic is explained step by step with dry run examples, so even tricky problems became easy to understand. By the end of this course, you will not just know Python, you will think like a Python programmer. So hello everyone, if you are ready to start your Python journey, please support my channel by subscribing to Code with Logic, hit the bell icon, and join me in the next video where we start with chapter 1 Python basic. You will also get chapter list PDF link below. Let's learn Python from zero to pro together. Also share my videos to your families and friends who wanted to learn Python language.